Would you like to turn your taxes into scholarships? Did you know that it's possible with EITC? EITC, or Educational Improvement Tax Credit, is a program that lets you, individual taxpayers and Pennsylvania businesses, redirect the Pennsylvania state tax dollars you're already paying and use those dollars for scholarships to help hundreds of families receive a classical Christian education at Coventry Christian schools. Sound too good to be true? It's not. Here's how it works. In Pennsylvania, EITC provides $225 million annually in scholarship dollars to students in grades K through 12 whose families meet program guidelines. Nearly any business or individual that pays Pennsylvania taxes can participate in the program, including parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, neighbors, local businesses, and friends. To participate in the EITC program, you need to submit a commitment form and send it to Barbara Roque at educatingforlife.com. She'll walk you through the process and assist you in determining what donation amount you qualify for, based on your Pennsylvania state tax income liability, which is approximately 3% of your salary. In return, you'll receive a Pennsylvania tax credit reimbursement equal to 90% of your contribution for agreeing to participate in the program for 2 years. Credits are limited, so don't delay. For more information on how you can apply for EITC as a business or individual, contact Barbara Roque at Coventry Christian Schools at Barbara Roque at educatingforlife.com or 484-644-0449. Your participation in EITC will have a lasting impact and help sustain student scholarships at Coventry Christian Schools and make a difference in the lives of our CCS families.